Welcome, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. I'm sharing with you today some Father's Day gift ideas that I just put together. In this first one, I have Racing Club Blue Elite Men's Cologne. I have a Bluetooth clutch speaker. I have a 6-in-1 pen tool here at the bottom. I have a number one dad baseball cap and a number one dad beer mug. I made those with my Cricut machine. If you need to see it, go back and look at some of my earlier live videos. The next one I have is Grande Black Men's Cologne, a barrel Bluetooth speaker, 6-in-1 pen tool. I have a number one dad beer mug, number one dad baseball cap. And this has a best dad ever balloon. The other one has Dad, You're Awesome balloon. All right, guys, I hope this gives you some ideas of Father's Day gifts. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.